Hi and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm gonna do a computer repair. This is my old laptop. It's a ThinkPad T480s, a really capable laptop that I'm having for 6 years. Nowadays, it's my secondary laptop, but it's still highly capable. I'm running it with Ubuntu and I enjoy using it. However, these laptops have a common problem. The speakers are faulty. So for the second time in the lifespan of this computer, I have to replace the speakers of the laptop. So let's get rid of these old speakers and replace them with something new. Because of safety concerns, the first step is to disable the built-in battery of the laptop. This is done from the BIOS and it's recommended to do it every time you're planning to do a repair of the laptop. Immediately after starting the laptop, hit enter. This way you go to the startup interrupt menu. From it, hit F1 to select BIOS setup utility. Using the keyboard from the top menu, select config. After that, go to power and to disable built-in battery. After that, the computer will automatically turn off and now it's safe to proceed with the repair. Step number 2 is to remove the bottom cover. For this, you need a Phillips #1 screwdriver and you have to loosen the 6 captive screws on the back. To completely remove the bottom cover from the laptop, you need an opening tool. If you don't have one, you can do it very carefully with a flat screwdriver. However, an opening tool is recommended. Start from the top edge near the hinge and work your way along the edge until all of the clips are unsnapped. Then you can completely remove the back cover from the laptop. Step number 3 is to remove the battery. Use again the Phillips #1 screwdriver to remove the 4 4.5mm screws that hold the battery down to the mid-frame of the laptop. Lift the battery near the connector and completely remove it from the laptop. As I said at the beginning of the video, this is Lenovo ThinkPad T480s. It's worth mentioning that other computers from the similar generation, especially T480, are having pretty much the same procedure for removing the battery and the back cover. I have done the same on Lenovo ThinkPad T460s. Now we're coming to the real business. Let's remove the faulty speakers. There are 2 of them, one on the left and another one on the right. Start with the one on the right on the screen. Disconnect the speaker cable from the motherboard of the laptop using a connector puller or very carefully using your fingers. I did it with my fingers, as you can see in the video. You'll need again a screwdriver, particularly Phillips #1 screwdriver, because there's 2 screws that are holding each speaker. Start by loosening the screws on the speaker on the right. After that, gently remove the cable from the laptop case and finally remove the left speaker. Of course, the left speaker is also having 2 screws that hold it to the laptop frame. You have to use a Phillips #1 screwdriver to remove them, and then you can get rid of both of the faulty speakers and proceed with replacement. Now comes the most important part. Let's insert brand new speakers into this Lenovo ThinkPad T480s. I have purchased the new speakers from AliExpress and I hope they're decent quality. We're gonna find out in a few minutes. First, I'm gonna place the left speaker. I'm gonna put the 2 screws to hold it to the laptop frame. After that, carefully I'll put the cable into the frame. And finally, again using a screwdriver, I'm gonna put the right speaker to the frame of the computer. Last but not least, attach the connector of the speakers to the motherboard. This is very important. Do not forget to do it because this is the way how your computer interacts with these speakers. As you can see, I'm ready. But of course, before proceeding to testing, I need to put everything back together. Therefore, I'm starting with the battery and after that putting the back cover. I need a screwdriver. It's the reverse process of the process at the beginning of the video when I was doing a tear down and removing the back cover. Now I'm putting it back. In order to understand if this repair is successful or not, I need to test the whole system and to make sure that I can hear voice coming out of these new speakers. I plugged the power supply, turned on the computer and logged in with my username and password. I'm a Linux user and I have Ubuntu on this particular laptop.
Front, left, front, right, front, left.
Great success! Both speakers work.
Front, right.
As you can see, the repair is successful. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this type of content, open source hardware, Linux and so on, consider subscribing to the YouTube channel and stay tuned for new videos. See you soon!